Hey guys, how to allow camera access for Mizi's browser on iPhone. So in order for you to do this, you need to just click the search or type URL at the top right here, the blank, right? And you're gonna see in the typo, you're gonna see the scan the QR code, right? And basically, once you click on it to scan the QR code or whatever, they will ask you, Macy's, for access to your camera, and you're gonna give them access. Okay, and that will allow you to scan more QR codes and search with Macy's, right? But if you want to go to the settings and do it manually, just go back to your screen, go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see apps right here, click on it, and then search for Macy's. Okay, and then as you can see, you will see that the camera access is turned on, so you could turn it off or turn it on for, for more security if you want to. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload, and make sure to update the app to the latest version. So catch you in the next time.